Hello everybody and welcome to Depstech, and I hope you're doing well. And today we're going to be checking out this. This is a new webcam from a company called Depstech, and it's 2K resolution and it's QHD as well. So what we're going to do is go ahead, rig this up, and also check out what it's like with a green screen and what the quality is like and how easy it is to set up. So looking upon the webcam, and it is 360 degrees horizontal rotation, dual microphone, video conference ready, plug and play so no drivers needed, 2K QHD quality and also HDR technology as well. Looking at the webcam itself, once you get it out of this plastic bag, and it's quite long. So this is the length of the webcam, and on the left and right is your microphone ports. You've got your iris in the middle, and yeah, it looks quite nice. On the bottom you have got a mount for a tripod, which does come in the box, which I'll show you in a minute. So there's your 1/4-inch tripod mount, and it will fit to pretty much any screen that you wish to put it on. Moving on over to the back, and you've got these little fins that are going to cool it down, and the charging port as well. You also do get quite a lengthy cable within the bag. Again, that's going to be really handy for obviously putting it where you like on your system and taking it out, and there's your tripod mount. So you can have this anywhere on the desk or obviously on any monitor that you wish. Setting up of the webcam couldn't be any easier. You just plug it in. Now obviously the length of the cable should reach any back part of your PC USB wise. It's only USB 2.0, but I've got an extender, so it's pretty easy. Pop it in, and then put the webcam anywhere on top of the screen that you so wish, and obviously then adjust the angle to wherever it's going to be on your desk.
So setting up the webcam couldn't be any easier. You just want to go to your video capture device in something like OBS and go to properties. Now once you're in properties, you want to set it up like this. Custom 2560 by 1440 and at 30 FPS. Video format doesn't really matter, colour space at 709 and obviously colour range at full. Once that is done, you can go ahead and set up your filters. Now the filters took me about 10 minutes to rearrange, so colour correction, and you want to adjust your gamma, your contrast, your brightness, saturation, hue shift and opacity. Once you've done that, go down to scaling aspect ratio, Lanzos and 2560 by 1440, and that is everything that you need to know obviously just by doing that.
Enemy counter UAV online.
Took one out, reloading. Frag out! Flash out! Grenade out! All out, reloading.
Enemy in the back alley.
Friendly care package inbound. Enemy cluster strike incoming. Take cover.
So the overall setup of the webcam was really easy, and like I said, on the box it just says plug and play, and that's exactly what it was. Now obviously if you're using something like OBS, the properties and the filters are going to be down to you to set up, and they can take about 5 to 10 minutes, if not longer, depending on how you're going to set it up. And the green screen with the chroma key, again for OBS, was really easy. Now that did take me 10 minutes, and that is going to depend on the environment that you're in, the lighting and the green screen that you're using. So the links in the descriptions down below, I'm going to add in the lighting setup that I'm using, I'm going to add in the green screen kit and also this webcam. Now this webcam wasn't sponsored, and for the quality of the webcam, for the price, it's actually really good. Now the webcam at this moment in time, at time of filming, comes in at just shy of £26. So £26 for a 2K good quality webcam is really good compared to something like a Logitech. So that does it for me today. If you did like the video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Any thoughts or questions that you've got, please do leave those in that comment section down below, and go ahead and share the video. It really does help out the channel. Underneath the video, there's a red box that says subscribe. Go ahead and click that and smash the bell icon for more notifications from myself. Also down there will be links to Teespring where you can get all the DAT merch, so go ahead and check that out as well. However, that does it for me today, and I shall see you all in the next video.